Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ajay here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Linux in Windows operating system. By the way, to install more than one operating system, you must have to enable virtualization in your computer. Otherwise, none of the method available in YouTube will work. Okay, so first enable virtualization. By the way, if you have MSI motherboard, then I've already made a video on how to enable virtualization, so you can go and check it out. And also I will put a I button above here. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the first step is to download two things. The first one is the VirtualBox and the second one is the Linux operating system package. To download the VirtualBox, go to Google and search VirtualBox. And from here go to this first link, which is Oracle VM VirtualBox. By the way guys, I'm not providing any links in the description because after some period of time it may get outdated. So it's better to get the latest version of everything by going to the site and download it manually. Okay, so now click on this big download button. So now as we want to install Linux in our Windows operating system, so we have to download the VirtualBox based on Windows operating system. Okay, so here click on Windows host. So our VirtualBox is downloading now. By the time our VirtualBox is downloading, let us download our Linux operating system package. So to download that, go to Google and search Linux for Windows. And from here click on this Ubuntu link. And now go to the download section, and from here on the column of Ubuntu desktop, click on this green button. Now the download will automatically start. If not, then click on this download now button. Then definitely it will start downloading. Okay, so I will get back with you after I finish my download. So guys, I'm done downloading and now let's proceed to the installation process. So now first open VirtualBox setup. Click on next. No need to do anything here. Again click next, and here press yes. No need to worry about this, it is just telling you that it will temporarily disconnect you from the network. So press yes and click on install. Click on install. This installation process will hardly take 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. So now click on finish. And now as you can see here, our VirtualBox is running. And now click on new and give a name to your new operating system. As we are installing Ubuntu, so I will give name as Ubuntu. You can give any name, whatever you want. So no need to change the machine folder here, let it be stored in your C drive only. And here in type, select Linux. And in version, if your processor supports 64-bit operating systems, then click on Ubuntu 64-bit, otherwise click on Ubuntu 32-bit. By the way, I'm not talking about the bit of your Windows, I'm talking about the bit of operating system your processor can support. Okay, as my processor does support 64-bit operating systems, so I will select Ubuntu 64-bit. So now click on next. And now in here you have to set the amount of RAM you want to give to your Linux. I would like to give 2 GB of RAM to Linux, so I will set the value as 2048 MB. After this, click on next. Let this be selected on create a virtual disk and click on create. And now here select on VDI, that is VirtualBox disk image, as we are installing our Linux using an ISO file. Okay, so now click on next, and here also keep this on dynamically allocated and click next. And now in here you have to set the amount of hard disk size that you want to give to your Linux to store files and everything. So I would like to give 15 GB, so I will set this at 15 GB. And now click on create. So now as you can see here, a bunch of information. It's nothing but your full specifications of Linux OS that you are going to install. So now only one thing is remaining to do, and that is to install the Linux. And to do that, click on settings, go to storage, click on empty, and from here click on this disk type symbol and click on choose a disk file. And now locate the ISO file that we have downloaded. And then click on open, click OK, and now here click on start. Again click on start. It is just confirming that ISO file that we have just selected. Okay, now just wait for 1 to 2 minutes. And now as you can see here, our installation page is now in front of us. So as you can see, now we have two options. First is we can try Ubuntu, and the second one is we can install Ubuntu. Try Ubuntu means you can just run Linux without installing it, and also without making any changes to the computer. But we want to install the Ubuntu, so we are going to click on install Ubuntu. Now select language here. I'm gonna select English US and then click on continue. Let this be on normal installation only, and also I will untick this option which is download updates while installing Ubuntu, because I have downloaded it just right now from the official website. So it's completely fine for me to untick this option. So now click on continue, and here now let this be selected on erase sticks and install Ubuntu. Guys, there is nothing to worry because it will do nothing with your current operating system in your files. I know it is written here that this will delete all your programs, documents, photos, music and any other files in all operating system. But it is not talking about your current operating system, it is talking about the operating systems which are already installed in the VirtualBox. Okay, listen carefully, already installed in your VirtualBox. So there is nothing to worry about. Just click on install now and click on continue. Here it is asking that where we are from. So it is already marked on India map, so no changes required here. So I will click on continue again, and now here it will ask some details like your name and what name we want to give to this computer, that is our new operating system, and username and password that we want to give. So let me fill all of these details. I am done with filling the details, so now I will click on continue. And now as you can see here, our installation process has been started, and this process will take 10 to 15 minutes, so just take a back seat and be patient. Okay.
Few minutes later.
Our installation is successfully done, and now it will ask to restart our computer. Again, it is not asking to restart your main computer, it is just asking to restart your VirtualBox, nothing else. Okay, so click on restart now. So finally guys, as you can see here, our Linux has been successfully installed on our PC, and also you can see that we can use both Windows and Linux at the same time simultaneously. Amazing, right? So guys, that's it for the video. If you have any questions regarding this or regarding any of our video on this channel, just comment below your questions and I will definitely clear all of your doubts. So hope you guys like the video. If yes, then don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and press the notification bell icon for the upcoming videos. So till then, stay tuned, stay safe and have a great day.